Hey guys, and today I'm going to do another video of my Santa Fe train, and then I might switch it off with no, so you'll hear the DC sound one, Santa Fe. Then I might use the BNSF, another BNSF, and probably my Union Pacific. As you can see, when the horn pieces fell off, so it's kind of a two-horn way train. But yeah, you'll hear the difference in sounds and stuff. So I will get this rumbling and going. So guys, I'm probably gonna buy an engine maybe tonight, a new one, Union Pacific DC sound ready, hopefully. Yeah, it will. So good, I said hopefully. I will buy one, and so I can't wait to get it, because it'll be my second DC sound one. So yeah, I'm just turning it in the right position. Now hooked up again. Now, I had it in a different position because I was showing you the train cars, but now let's get my chain back in. I got better shot of the whole train. So let me do this. I had to raise the speed on it. You know, that looks like it's really going any faster, but it sort of is. Just the motor running around. And let's see what it does. So, I'm gonna take the stickers and start mode. I'm gonna bring it to a stop, and then I'm listening to the whistle point. So I'm bringing the forklift along. So yeah, so I move it off, and then I bring in BNSF. What? And if you guys didn't, I know you guys didn't hear about that. It's a special video for you guys I'm making, cause So, probably only gonna bring it around. I'm probably just gonna go this once, and then I'll do the even stuffing, and then the other banner stuff. If that's fine, it will be fine, cause there's really no difference to it. But so now Union Pacific. Dun, dun, dun. Guys, Union Pacific taking it. I used to have crossing gates here, but they broke, and they're in the CXS square round container car until I buy new ones. But so almost done. Last engine. Now you might hear a little bit of noise out of this one, so until you pick up speed on it. And you still can hear it for some reason, which I don't get why, but weird. Okay, so that'll do it for now, guys. Like and subscribe, and leave down in the comments which one was your favorite. BNSF, Union Pacific, or Santa Fe. So don't forget that, and peace out.